Hi everyone, thank you for visiting Daiki Kato Laboratory official YouTube channel. This is Daiki Kato. Today, I'll speak about the new psychological concept, rolefulness. What roles do you have in your life? In our daily lives, we have several roles. For me, I have roles such as father, researcher, and university professor. Rolefulness is the continuous sense of role satisfaction we have or we experience in our daily lives. If we focus on our daily roles and are satisfied with them, it enriches our lives. Rolefulness does not depend on specific roles such as being parents and professionals. Rather, it represents a general sense of role satisfaction. For example, when you enjoy conversation with your friends, you have a very important role for them. You listen to the story of them and show empathy for them. Your behavior includes important roles. Rolefulness is very familiar to us, and it is not special. Everyone feels rolefulness in our daily lives. The relationship with familiar people includes many chances to feel rolefulness. In this episode, I speak to you about the introduction to rolefulness. If you are interested in it, I hope you read our book of rolefulness. Thank you for watching and see you next episode. Bye.